Okay, to get started, I just added a video clip with an audio clip under it to my timeline. Now, to increase the volume, make sure you have your audio clip selected, then go up to Window, Effect Controls. In Effect Controls, you'll see an option for volume, and under that, you'll find a level setting. This is a setting you should use to adjust a clip's volume. Unfortunately, by increasing the volume, we also added a keyframe which we don't need. This was added because we forgot to toggle off the blue stopwatch next to level. Okay, now when we play this back, our volume will be louder. Another way to increase the audio is by increasing the gain. To do that, make sure your audio clip is still selected and tap the G key on your keyboard. In the Adjust By box, just enter a higher number than 0. And as you can tell now, based on the wavelengths, it increased our volume even more. But yeah, that's all for this tutorial, so as always, thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging